9 changes to make to your life to keep your brain healthy and focused. Losing cognition skills doesn't have to be inevitable. In fact, by making some simple life changes now, you can help your brain to stay healthy and focused regardless of your age. Drop the stress. Chronic stress can damage your brain. Start with an honest evaluation of what stress you can erase. For the rest, remember you can always learn the skills to manage it better. Try daily meditation and exercise. Time for yourself is really of the utmost importance. Get in motion. Speaking of exercise, did you know regular physical activity is not just good for your body, but brings your mind to peak condition as well? Try Something Fishy. Those omega-3 fatty acids are good for you. Eat salmon, tuna, or some other kind of fatty fish every week if you can. Drop the sugar. It's a known fact sugar isn't good for you, but did you know eating a lot of it will lead to inflammation in the brain, inhibiting brain function? Now is the time to find other, healthier snacks, like veggies or nuts. Spend time with friends. Getting out with people you enjoy spending time with keeps your brain engaged and challenged in positive ways. Learn stuff. Nothing is quite so good for your brain as engaging it and challenging it with new information. Take a class, learn a language, do something new. Drop the toxins. Things like smoking, alcohol, and constant exposure to toxins in the environment will impair your brain function. Clean up your environment. Quit smoking. Limit alcohol consumption. Doing all these things will help you stay sharper longer. Pay attention to your vitamins. Making sure your nutritional needs are in balance will keep your brain functioning at its best. The important ones for brain health? B12, B6, magnesium, and folate. In a healthy diet, you would normally get most of what you need. Although, you could add to this a supplement with vitamin D if your levels are low. Sleep. In the end, making sure you get enough sleep is one of the best things you can do for your brain and your general health. Make sure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep at night in an environment optimal for sleep. Some attention on your brain now will serve you well in your later life. Don't delay in making these changes. The sooner you begin, the better. Your brain will thank you for it.